Hello guys, so finally I received my box from BimmerTech. This is the iOS and Android interface for the BMW F10 series, which is 2010 to 2017, I guess. So but this is their latest wireless version. So I am very excited. I have not opened the box, just got it from the DHL mail. They send it via the DHL Express, Worldwide Express. Let's see, the thing comes from Dubai. If I open it, very nice. Instructions here, looks like. Blah blah blah. A decal if you want to put on your car, and this is the device. Let's see here. Oh, nice. It feels nice. So I believe this is where the wireless antenna will be hooked up. That's the rest of the wiring, but I think this is where the wireless antenna will hook up, because this here it says antenna. Yep. And you get the USB option as well, so I will definitely route the USB cable and have the wireless antenna as well. So this is where the LCD in and out come in. Basically how this works is you get the iDrive that goes into your monitor in the console. It comes in here, and then you can, but basically this does, I think it hijacks the iDrive and projects what it can do, projects an Apple CarPlay that, you know, mimics the F10 iDrive system on the LCD output. So this becomes like a middleman, which is very clever, honestly. Otherwise I just cannot have an Apple CarPlay in the F10, the M5 I have, which is quite a bit annoying, because considering the infotainment in the F10 M5 is old, and I cannot go to the latest one with the F90 M5 that I had for a while, which was awesome. So yeah, this is the really nice upgrade. This is the setup here for the bus, the dip switches. Let's go on and see what's in here as well. Oops. Trying one hand, it's a little difficult. So I also ordered the trim tool kit from them. You see here, BimmerTech. This is nice. I don't think I have a trim tool, you know, just in case it wasn't really that much. This is the harness. That's the quad lock, I think, harness. This is where your camera cables would go, I believe. You know, the M5 has front and, you know, 360 camera, so they would go here, I believe. So this is the antenna, as you can see. I am not sure where to route it yet. This is with LVDS, some cable here. This probably looks like goes into the monitor, and this is into the box. And these are the USB cable. This is the USB cable that will be routing out of the cabin, and most likely through the side on the passenger side or into the glove box. I'm not really sure yet. But anyways, we'll see. So yeah, stay tuned. I will have the install video here very soon, in a couple of days, hopefully this weekend. And we'll let you know how this works, how the wireless is, how reliable it is. Hopefully it works as expected and as advertised, no glitches, no nothing. And if there are, hopefully they will be able to update it or something somehow. Anyways, it's a gamble, but I think it's worth it. I will see you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.